Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks. Alright, let's begin. First, open the PrizePicks app and log into your account. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner to access the menu. From there, select the Withdraw Funds option. Next, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Provide the recipient details such as your bank account or PayPal account and confirm the amount. After that, review all the details and confirm the withdrawal request. You will receive a one-time password or GP code via email for verification. Enter this code to complete your withdrawal. Withdrawing funds is straightforward and ensures you can access your winnings easily. Just remember to double-check your recipient details to avoid any issues. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from PrizePicks. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.